Drawing a vulture might sound intimidating at first. It's all that gnarly detail and awkward proportions, right? But trust me, it's way easier than it looks. You just need a few simple techniques, and we're going to break this down step by step. Start with the basic shapes: a circle for the head, an oval for the body, and a tapered shape for the tail. Think of it as constructing a skeleton before adding muscle. This guide is foolproof. Anyone can do it. Next, draw a long curve connecting the circle and oval. That's the vulture's neck, which has that iconic bent angle. Keep it thin, but give it a little thickness toward the bottom. A stiff neck isn't the vibe here. It's all about flexibility. Here's a pro tip for the beak. Split it into two parts. Make the top half hooked for that predatory vibe and the bottom half shorter and rounded. Vultures have cartoonishly strong profiles. This is where the drama starts, people. Once the neck and beak are in place, sketch the wings. Keep the top arc smooth and broad because vultures glide more than flap. Then feather it downward in layered lines for that classic, jagged wingtip look. Wings are all about the detail. Let's tackle the legs. Draw long, skinny lines, but give them thick knuckles at the joints. Vultures look gangly in a cool way, but balance matters. Their claws need sharp, hooked talons. They're scavengers, not ballroom dancers. Here's where things get spicy. The feathers. Start with the head and neck. Keep the lines short and spaced out because vultures have a scruffy, almost bald appearance there. Save the lush, detailed feathers for the wings and tail. The eyes are the soul of the vulture, no kidding. Use a small circle intentionally off-center in the head and add a dark pupil. Vultures always look intense, maybe a little sinister. That's part of their charm. Lean into it. Don't forget the shading. Vultures aren't sparkly clean creatures. Add smudges to the wings and shadows under the body. Focus on contrast, light highlights where the sun hits, dark shadows to give depth. Everything pops with good shading. For the background, a few jagged rocks or some cracked desert earth can instantly give the drawing context. Vultures are scavengers, not forest birds. The environment completes the vibe, and details here make things look professional. Step back and evaluate your proportions. Does the head look too tiny or the wings too big? Don't panic if it's not perfect. Art is messy at first. Even professional artists need refinements. It's better to add detail than start over. Finally, patience is your best tool. Drawing a vulture might take 30 minutes, or it might take 3 hours depending on your level of nitpicking. Forget about rushing. Every little detail you add makes it just a little more alive.